In a recent and strategic development, Palantir has officially entered into a multi-year alliance with Fedrigoni, a prominent paper manufacturing firm based in Italy. This collaboration aims to spearhead Fedrigoni's transition into a digitally enhanced enterprise, with the initial stage concentrating on refining stock optimization processes and improving demand forecasting accuracy. The guidance of Avatar Investments has played a role in facilitating this partnership, which is expected to dramatically elevate Fedrigoni's technological capabilities. According to a detailed assessment by Investing Pro, Palantir's current trading price exceeds its estimated fair value. This suggests a high degree of market optimism and investor confidence in the company's long-term expansion and strategic positioning. The core intention behind this joint initiative is to elevate Fedrigoni's efficiency and innovation on a global scale by embedding Palantir's cutting-edge artificial intelligence technologies into its operations. With the deployment of these tools, Fedrigoni is expected to respond more swiftly to dynamic market conditions and align more effectively with evolving customer demands. This strategic shift is particularly significant for a traditional manufacturer such as Fedrigoni, which is seeking to remain competitive in an increasingly digital marketplace. Palantir, whose market capitalization currently stands at $311.65 billion, continues to prove its strength by forming transformative relationships with legacy industrial players. Investing Pro has also awarded Palantir a financial health rating categorized as great, reinforcing the company's ability to deliver consistent value while expanding its influence through strategic collaborations. Fedrigoni's chief executive officer, Marco Nespolo, commented on the significance of this development, emphasizing that the partnership is a pivotal part of their broader initiative to lead the industry in operational excellence and superior customer service. He views the alliance with Palantir as a foundational component of their growth and innovation roadmap. Chief Information Officer Giannato Berna also shared his perspective, underlining that integrating Palantir's artificial intelligence technology represents a major leap forward in the company's digital journey. According to him, the partnership not only brings technological advancement, but also aligns with Fedrigoni's long-term goals of innovation, agility, and market responsiveness. On Palantir's side, Francois Bohuan, who serves as the managing director for France and oversees executive leadership for Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, expressed enthusiasm regarding this collaboration. He emphasized the transformative nature of artificial intelligence in industries that have traditionally relied on conventional processes. He noted that leveraging data and advanced analytics can unlock significant value, particularly in manufacturing, where operational complexity is high. Adding to this, Guillaume Sol, the leader of artificial intelligence initiatives in the manufacturing domain across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa at Palantir, praised Fedrigoni's forward-thinking approach. He highlighted how this partnership exemplifies Palantir's core mission to empower organizations through intelligent, data-driven strategies. This alliance between Palantir and Fedrigoni illustrates the growing relevance of digital transformation in manufacturing and other traditional sectors. It reflects a broader trend where companies across various industries are turning to artificial intelligence not only to enhance efficiency, but also to fuel innovation and create differentiated value propositions. The commitment from both Palantir and Fedrigoni to co-develop innovative solutions signals a shared vision for long-term value creation centered on technological modernization and strategic agility. Palantir has built its reputation by providing powerful data-centric software solutions that enable public and private sector organizations to make informed decisions. The company's platform, such as Foundry and Gotham, are designed to handle large volumes of complex data, helping clients gain operational clarity and competitive advantages. Over the most recent reporting period, Palantir demonstrated robust financial performance with a revenue growth rate of 33.45%. Analysts anticipate that this momentum will persist as the company continues to secure high-profile partnerships and expand its service offerings. Shifting focus to Fedrigoni, the company is a well-established leader in the production of specialty papers, self-adhesive labels, and radio frequency identification technologies. Since its founding in the year 1888, Fedrigoni has expanded its footprint globally, employing thousands of professionals and offering an extensive and diversified portfolio of products. The firm's commitment to innovation and sustainability has helped it maintain a competitive edge, even in highly specialized markets. This collaboration with Palantir marks a significant milestone in Fedrigoni's evolution and underscores its ambition to remain at the forefront of its industry by embracing advanced technology solutions. In additional news that highlights Palantir's growing presence across industries, Surf Air Mobility Mobility has rolled out a software suite. This software platform was developed in partnership with Palantir and is designed to bring greater operational efficiency to the regional air mobility sector. The suite includes various modules such as Broker OS, Operator OS, and Owner OS, all of which are set to enter commercial deployment in the year 2026. The goal of these systems is to streamline various aspects of the aviation business, from scheduling and logistics to operations and asset ownership. Meanwhile, Palantir recently held its annual meeting for shareholders. During the meeting, board members were officially elected, and Ernst & Young was confirmed as the independent accounting firm for the fiscal year. This reaffirms Palantir's commitment to maintaining transparency and strong governance practices, which are essential for sustained investor trust and regulatory compliance. Palantir has also expanded its reach into the healthcare sector. In collaboration with teletracking technologies, the company is introducing artificial intelligence-powered tools that are expected to improve operational decisions in hospitals and healthcare systems. This partnership aims to optimize hospital workflows, enhance resource utilization, and ultimately contribute to better patient care outcomes. Elsewhere in Ecuador, Palantir is working with the nation's customs agency to advance digital modernization efforts and strengthen measures against smuggling and illicit trade. The use of data-driven technology in this context is expected to significantly improve transparency, security, and efficiency within the country's import-export operations. Adding to the momentum, Wedbush Securities has maintained its outperform rating for Palantir, setting a stock price target of $140. The firm based its bullish outlook on Palantir's proven ability to win major government contracts, as well as its continued expansion into commercial sectors. Wedbush emphasized that Palantir's strength lies in its unique software solutions, which are difficult to replicate and provide unmatched value to clients dealing with complex datasets. Collectively, these recent initiatives highlight Palantir Technologies' diverse and expanding role across multiple domains, including manufacturing, healthcare, aviation, and international governance. The company's continued ability to attract high-value partnerships underscores its reputation as a leader in artificial intelligence and data integration. Likewise, Fedrigoni's commitment to digital innovation demonstrates how traditional industries are rapidly evolving by adopting modern technological frameworks. Essentially, Palantir Technologies, which has seen its stock surge by 470% over the past year and maintains a strong gross profit margin of 80%, has formed a long-term partnership to drive digital transformation, beginning with improvements in inventory and demand forecasting. Backed by Avatar Investments, the alliance aims to integrate Palantir's advanced artificial intelligence tools to enhance Fedrigoni's global efficiency and customer responsiveness. With a market valuation of over $311 billion and a top-tier financial health rating, Palantir continues to secure major collaborations, reflecting strong investor confidence. Executives from both companies emphasized the strategic importance of this move, with Palantir leaders highlighting the transformative power of artificial intelligence in traditional industries. In parallel, Palantir has expanded its presence through partnerships with Surf Air Mobility, teletracking technologies, and the Ecuadorian Customs Agency, while earning an outperform rating from Wedbush Securities with a stock price target of $140, further reinforcing its leadership in data-driven innovation across sectors. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.